night, Mariah, sleeping, snoring. Notice how the futon, it does not lie flat. Looks more like a taco shell than a bed. I hope we can hear my voice, because I don't want to wake her. That's it.